It's not only for kitchen use, it's art. It's almost kitchen art. I think this is gorgeous, simple, and beautiful. Hey everyone, we're here at Tanabe Corporation in Niigata, Japan. This is an incredible place, making stainless steel tongs. That's what they focus on, that's what they do. It's an incredible place. I'm about to get shown around by their top salesperson, Ms. Miyajima. Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you for having me here. I appreciate it. It's incredible to come to a place like this, to a company, and see people who have been doing this for 60-something years in the same place over and over. You're gonna see people inside here manufacturing these tongs and these stainless items that have been doing the same thing for 40 years. That is what the Japanese call shokunin or takumi. These are specialists. These are guys who are specializing in just one thing and one thing only. And then this gentleman here, this is a Japanese shokunin takumi. He is a specialist. Tanabe makes pieces of stainless steel that they make. It's extremely thin. They take stainless steel down from a very thick grade down to 0.6, I believe, millimeters in thickness to create these tongs. What this gentleman's doing here is flattening the centers of the tongs out so that these become the areas that they're going to flex. These are going to be the areas that are going to bend. What he's doing is flattening out those areas. Watch. What this gentleman does, and what this gentleman does, what they do by hand here, even a computer or a robot, a machine to manufacture these things, can't replicate what they do. This lady's been doing this for over 20 years or so in doing this. This is where you're gonna see her here. Now comes into her machine here and it gets stamped out. And you can see, made in Japan is what they have. That's what she does right here on this machine. Just complete rhythm and going and going and going one after another all day long. It's incredible dedication and devotion to what each and every one of the people in this factory are doing, and to think about how something as simple as a tongue, what's involved in making it. There's a lot involved. Here in this machine you can see they're stamping out, they're bending the actual pieces now that they're going to use. You can see what was a straight piece of stainless before, and once it comes out of here is now cut and is now shaped into what will become eventually some sort of tong that they're making here. Stainless steel, beautiful shape. Now they need to create the form for these items. That's what this machine does. They have their mold up there. They lay it flat in there. It comes down, it stamps, and it bends these pieces into what become, look at the form to it. This machine is creating that bend, that form that will eventually be bent here in the center to turn it into one of those cool looking tongs that I showed you, and I'm gonna show you again in a minute. Here is where the bending process is. So now a tong can't be a flat piece of stainless steel. A tong has to be bent. It has to go like this, right? Shape of a tong. And this is a beautiful, beautiful piece. We're observing there's so much thought into the design of what this is. But you see this, and look at all the steps. There's at least 1, 2, 3, there's gotta be 6, 7, 8 different steps to this process to create something that you think is simple and you just pick up in the kitchen and you go pick up food. Did you ever think about how this thing was made? It's an incredible process. This is what they start with. This is essentially the thickness of what the original input material is. This is a 2.2 millimeter thick piece of stainless steel made in Japan. That 2.2 millimeter stainless steel piece slowly gets thinner and thinner. 0.75, 0.70 millimeters, 0.65, and ultimately to a very, very thin and very, very flexible 0.6 millimeters. A thickness that's perfect for the feeling of tongs. And what we were showing you before is ultimately this is what comes out. Here's a 0.6 millimeter thick, bent, finished product. Not only do they look good and they're very usable, and look, they're so exact at the end, you can grab something as thin as a piece of paper, a hair even with these. They're very easy to hold and very easy to use, but look at the ergonomics of it. Ready? Somebody comes to your door in your house. You're cooking your food. You need to put this down. Look. The end of the tongs are not hitting, where you grip food and other things are not hitting the table. So these are shaped in a way that you don't have to put them down and worry about the ends getting dirty or sitting on something, because they're shaped in a way that nothing's gonna touch, especially the parts that are most important. Easy to use, beautiful design. Can you imagine this hanging in your kitchen, how nice that would look? It's not only for kitchen use, it's art. It's almost kitchen art. I think this is gorgeous, simple, and beautiful. Tanabe Corporation also makes some other really, really cool things. Check these out. They have 300 or 400 different types of tongs that they're manufacturing here in this facility, of a wide variety. Japan is about everything cute. Cool and cute, but definitely cute. Kawaii. Well, why not have kawaii tongs as well? Let me introduce you to Pumpkin. Pumpkin is part of the cat tong collection. If you're gonna have tongs in your kitchen, or you wanna get your kids involved in cooking at a young age and teach them what cooking's about and make it fun for them, why not use tongs like this? It's like this. Mom can use these, but your daughter or your son who's learning cooking, they're definitely gonna enjoy using something cute like that. And if you got a real small kid in the house and you really wanna start, look at how cute these things are. Little baby cat paw tongs. And these are so cute too, right here. All of this you can find on Yagi Select. They're all available. It's the cat-themed tong corner of the website. You can check it out. Check it out. Meow.